Have you ever wondered what's really floating in the air around you? Most of us don't realize that indoor pollutants can be even more harmful than those outside. But here's the good news. There's a natural green solution that can change that. In this video, we're excited to introduce you to 8 amazing plants that not only purify your indoor air, but also enhance your health and well-being. Let's get started. Number 8. Peace Lily. A plant that combines elegance with health benefits can transform any space into a more inviting environment. The peace lily is renowned for its beautiful white flowers and lush green leaves, making it a stunning addition to your home decor. But its appeal goes beyond its looks. The peace lily excels at purifying indoor air by removing common toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. These pollutants, often found in household products and furniture, can degrade air quality, but the peace lily helps to mitigate their effects, contributing to a healthier living space. Additionally, this plant is effective in reducing dust and allergens, which can be especially helpful for individuals with allergies or respiratory conditions. Caring for a peace lily involves placing it in a location with morning sunlight and keeping the soil consistently damp. Regular misting is also recommended to help maintain the right humidity levels around the plant. It is important to keep in mind that the peace lily is toxic to pets, including cats and dogs. If you have furry friends, make sure to position the plant out of their reach to prevent any potential health issues. Number 7. Aloe vera. An easy-to-care-for plant that also offers practical health benefits can be a true gem for any home. Aloe vera is one such plant admired for both its low-maintenance needs and its versatile uses. Its thick, fleshy leaves store a soothing gel that can be used to treat minor burns and wounds, making it a handy addition to your kitchen or first aid kit. But aloe vera does more than just aid in skincare. It is also effective at improving air quality by removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, which can be found in household products and finishes. This makes aloe vera a great choice for creating a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. To keep your aloe vera thriving, it requires full sunlight and only minimal watering. This plant is quite resilient, needing very little attention beyond ensuring it gets plenty of light and is not overwatered. However, if you have pets, you should be aware that aloe vera is toxic to them. Keep this plant in a place where your cats or dogs cannot reach it to avoid any potential health issues. Despite this precaution, aloe vera's benefits for both your home environment and your skin make it a valuable addition to your space. Number 6. English ivy. A plant that not only adds a touch of natural beauty to your home, but also tackles some common indoor issues. English ivy is a plant with this dual benefit, making it a versatile choice for many households. Its trailing vines and rich green foliage can enhance any space, whether it is hanging from a pot or cascading down a shelf. This plant is particularly effective at purifying the air. English ivy helps reduce the presence of various toxins, including trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, xylene, ammonia, and benzene. These substances are often found in household products and can contribute to poor indoor air quality. Additionally, English ivy has the added benefit of reducing mold, making it especially useful in damp areas like bathrooms. For the best care, ensure that English ivy receives generous watering and a bit of direct sunlight. It does not require extensive maintenance, but does need regular attention to keep it healthy and thriving. Be cautious if you have pets, as English ivy is toxic to both cats and dogs. Make sure to place this plant in a location that is out of reach for your furry friends to prevent any potential health issues. Number 5. Dracaenas. Dracaenas are a diverse and captivating group of plants that can bring a touch of the exotic into your home. With their varied types and striking appearances, these plants offer a unique way to enhance your living space. They are known for their ability to grow quite tall, reaching heights of 8 to 10 feet, which makes them an excellent choice for adding vertical interest to a room. One of the standout features of Dracaenas is their air-purifying capability. They are particularly effective at removing trichloroethylene, a chemical often found in cleaning products and paints. By helping to eliminate this harmful substance from the air, Dracaenas contribute to a cleaner and more breathable atmosphere. To keep your Dracaena thriving, it should be placed in an area with medium sunlight. These plants are fairly low maintenance, though they do need adequate light and space to accommodate their growth. It is important to remember that Dracaenas are toxic to pets, including cats and dogs. If you have animals in your home, you will need to keep these plants out of their reach to ensure their safety. Dracaenas are a fantastic choice for cleansing indoor air and adding a distinctive look to your home decor. Number 4. Ficus or weeping figure. With its elegant, drooping branches and glossy leaves, the weeping fig adds a touch of sophistication to any room. This plant, also known as ficus, can grow quite large, making it an impressive addition to your home decor. Its cascading foliage creates a beautiful visual impact, and it is known for being relatively easy to care for. The weeping fig is not only a visual delight, but also a valuable asset for improving indoor air conditions. It is effective at absorbing toxins such as formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene, which can be present in various domestic items and materials. Once absorbed, the toxins are either transformed into less harmful substances or incorporated into the plant's biomass, reducing their concentration in the air. For the best results, place your weeping fig in a spot with indirect sunlight. It is important to allow the soil to dry out between watering to avoid overwatering, which can lead to root problems. Number 3. Chrysanthemum. The chrysanthemum brings a burst of vibrant color to any room, making it a striking choice for home decoration. With its bright, cheerful blooms in shades of white, orange, yellow, and pink, this plant not only adds aesthetic appeal but also contributes to environmental freshness. When it comes to air purification, chrysanthemums are quite effective. They help remove common toxins like formaldehyde, xylene, ammonia, and benzene from the air. However, their purifying abilities are most effective while the flowers are in bloom, which typically lasts about 6 weeks. After this period, their air-cleansing benefits may decrease, but their beauty can still be enjoyed. To keep your chrysanthemum thriving, it is important to keep the soil damp and ensure the plant receives plenty of sunlight. During warmer months, you can also move it outside to continue benefiting from its vibrant blooms and fresh air. On a cautionary note, chrysanthemums are toxic to both cats and dogs. If you have pets, make sure to place the plant in an area that is inaccessible to them. Number 2. Snake plant. With its striking, upright leaves and sleek appearance, the snake plant is a standout choice for any indoor space. Its tall, sword-like leaves, which often feature vibrant green and yellow stripes, add a modern touch to your decor while being incredibly easy to maintain. This plant is renowned for its remarkable air-purifying qualities. The snake plant is highly effective at removing a range of toxins from the air, including formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, toluene, and trichloroethylene. In addition to its purification abilities, the snake plant has the unique benefit of releasing oxygen during the night. This can help improve air quality while you sleep, contributing to a more restful environment. Caring for a snake plant is straightforward. It requires minimal watering and can thrive in low light conditions, making it a perfect choice for areas of your home that receive less sunlight. It is important to note that the snake plant is toxic to pets such as cats and dogs. Keeping it in a place where your furry friends cannot reach is essential for their safety. Number 1. Spider plant. A spider plant can quickly become a favorite in your home, thanks to its charming appearance and ease of care. With its long, arching leaves and delicate, spider-like offshoots, this plant adds a touch of elegance to any room while being incredibly simple to maintain. In terms of health benefits, the spider plant excels in improving indoor air quality. It is known for its ability to remove toxins such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, and xylene from the air. This makes it an ideal option for boosting freshness to your living space. Additionally, the spider plant has a unique ability to produce spiderets or small plantlets, which can be easily repotted to grow new plants. This propagation feature allows you to expand your green collection or share with friends and family. Caring for a spider plant is straightforward. It thrives in bright, indirect light and requires watering only a few times a week, making it a low-maintenance option for busy lifestyles. Another significant advantage is that this plant is non-toxic to pets, making it a safe choice for homes with cats and dogs. The spider plant is a fantastic addition to any home for its beauty, air-purifying qualities, and ease of care. Houseplants can do more than just brighten up a room. They can significantly improve the quality of your indoor air. From purifying toxins to enhancing your mood, these plants are a wonderful addition to any home and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. Your support helps us continue creating valuable and informative content. Be sure to explore our other videos uncovering secrets to living a long and healthy life. Until next time, discover vitality, discover life.